Today we will be analyzing the US markets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is Super Swing Trader. I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks and forex. With that being said, let's start the analysis. As always, we will be taking a look at the monthly chart. As previously mentioned in the last few weeks, we have a very strong area of demand on this monthly chart that's in control. Price drop back down to it and rally, forming this bullish candle that after this month, if it closes bullish still, then it's a very good indication that price will be moving up higher because we have demand in control and this bullish, very strong bullish candle on the longer time frame. So we are long bias on this market right now. Let's take a look at the weekly. On the weekly, we have this strong area of demand and control. And then we also have another level on top of a level, which is right here. This is the monthly level that was in control. And then this zone, which is the weekly zone, broke through it, retrace. So play nicely, retrace one time and two times, and it's closing bullish at this most recent candle, and it retraced it twice before going back up higher. So we are long bias. On the daily, we have a very strong level of demand created up here, and same thing again, very good time for making short-term income. This is not tradable according to our rules, but it played out pretty nicely. So we'll see what happens if it wants to retrace back down here. This is a very good opportunity to go long again. Just remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence when you are trading stocks. The next market we will be taking a look at is the Dow Jones Industrial, the top 30 US company in the world. Go back to our monthly. So same thing with the Dow. We have a strong, basically looks the same thing as the S&P 500. Strong bullish candle, potential demand zone right here. And it did not have any previous demand zones to go long on besides down here, which is a very wide candle. So this was the zone. Price never retraced to it. So this is the potential zone that it created by the month's end. On the weekly, we have this zone that is, again, very wide. We want to see tight zone like this, tight candles like this. We don't want to see these wide candle, engulfing candle. We don't want to see these wide candles. We want to see these tight basing structures. But this, nevertheless, is a demand zone. A valid demand zone. Is it tradable? No, it is not tradable. On the daily, we have this zone right here. We have this zone, and now price rallied and never retraced to this zone. So we're bullish on this. Since it's been moving up so high, we are expecting price to retrace back down here before we can go long. And I really hope that price will drop back down there so we can go long. Price is just making all-time highs. It's not very exciting. Last market we are going to look at is the Qs, the NASDAQ Composite, QQQ. So this one is a tricky one because this is the first one that made all of the highs and made all the all-time highs while the other two markets was still trailing behind. So we have a strong bullish candle right here. Previously, before that, we saw these bearish candles, so we were expecting price to come down all the way down here. We were expecting price to do this before we can go long right here, but price never did that. And now it's forming this weekly bullish, or this monthly bullish engulfing candle. So we will see what happens if it wants to go up higher. but currently we have supply zone in control, so we don't want to go long. Price did went up in here and then dropped back down, went up, so it is attacking this supply zone very heavily, and we are expecting price to remove this zone because of what's going on the higher time frames. On the daily, we have an area of supply up here. Tested once, twice, 3 times now. So all the sell orders are being removed, and soon there will be no sellers, and when there's no sellers, demand goes up, and it's going to go up to the moon. We do have a potential demand zone right here that's being created. It's not valid to trade yet, but that's what we have. And that is it for this analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click on the bell so you get notified on new videos I release in the future. I make daily swing trading videos on stocks and forex using supply and demand. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build a life you love. I'll see you in the next one.